Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter has 3 rings. Jupiter's rings are hard to see because space is black and its rings are white. Jupiter is a very large planet, so larger than any planet except these 3 planets, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Jupiter is so big, and it is so bigger than these 6 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Pluto and Eris. Jupiter has a great storm that has been evolved for thousands and thousands and thousands of years. Jupiter is famous for its big red spot. Jupiter is the sixth planet away from the Sun.